Today we are working on Chapter 7 Programming Challenge 13. And this programming challenge is to give the user to enter a name, and then we have to search a list of boys' names that were popular in the period of 2000 and 2009. And if we find it, we have to display that. And we have to do the same thing for girls' names. We have to ask the user to enter a name, and if we find it, we have to show it how popular that name was in that period between 2000 and 2009. And this data comes from the Social Security Administration from the US. So there are 200 names each for boys and for girls. So it is really a fun way of searching your name or your friends' names and seeing how popular they were in that period. So let's start the program. We will say search names. So we will create a main method, and first we will say search boys' names. So we have to create the method. First thing would be to create try and catch to make sure there's no errors when I'm finding the file, or I'm looking for the file. So we will say scanner boys names, new scanner. So the scanner takes the file. So we need the path name for the file. Here is the boys' names. There are 200 names here who were popular names in that era. So we'll just right click, a copy path, absolute path, and then go back to our class. We'll paste it here. So we also need to ask the user for the name they want to search. So we need another scanner class, and we need Boolean called found to check whether we found the name, and we need a counter. We will start it with 0. Then we will ask the user for the name they want to search. Enter the name, and you'll say string name, next line, and we give a space. Then while scanner, while boys' names has next, we want to check, first of all we have to get the current name. It will say boys' names, next line. Then we have to check if the names match. We say current name dot equal, ignore case, Then we pass the name that we entered. So if they match, we'll say found equal to true. And we will say we found him. And we have to show the name is a number, then counter +1, then we will say is number most popular name in the US. And we have to increment the counter by 1. So I think we finished for the boys method, searching the boys names. So we have to search, we have to copy the method because they are pretty similar. And we will say, we will change the name for the method. We will say get girls names, and here we have to change here as well, girls names. Also the file path name have to change to girls names. Also we have to change here girls name, and here girls names. So we finish both methods. So let's run the program and see if our program works. I will check a couple of names. The first names we will check is the boys' names. So we will check James. How popular was James in the year 2000, between 2000 and 2009? We found him. James is a number 17 most popular name in the US. Wasn't bad. How about Marcus? Marcus was 115 most popular name in the US between 2000 and 2009. There is 200 names in the list. How about Michael? Michael is a number 2 most popular name in the US. How about Jacob? Oh, Jacob is number 1. Let's check if this checks out. Here, Jacob is number 1, Michael is 2, Joshua is 3, Matthew is 4, Daniel is 5, Christopher is 6, Andrew is 7. So let's check the girls. Instead of search boys, we'll say search girls names. Oh, get girls names. Okay, it's the same. So I'll search some girls names that were popular between 2000 and 2009. What's going on? Why is it stuck? Okay. And let's say Karen. We found him. There's no him. So I have to change. I have to change him to her. It doesn't matter, but just want to make it look grammatically correct for this case. So let's look for Karen. We found her. Karen is a 170 most popular name in the US. It wasn't popular name in the period between 2000 and 2009. How about Emily? We found her. Emily is the #1 most popular name in the US. How about Ashley? Well, Ashley was #10. How about some biblical names like Sarah? Sarah, oh, is 12. How about Mary? We found her. Mary is 65, most popular. How about Eva? Oh, 161. Christine. How the hell did you spell it? CHRIS. Christine? No. I'm sure if I go to the names, #1 is Emily, Madison, Emma, Olivia, Hannah, Abigail, Isabella, Samantha, Elizabeth, Ashley, Alexis, Sarah, Sophia, Elisa, Grace, Eva, Taylor, Brianna, Lauren. Oh, there's no Christine because the C is passed. Lillian, Zoe, Kimberly. Yeah. So I think we fulfilled all the requirements. We read the file, both files, the boys' names and the girls' names, and we searched both boys' name and girls' name, and we displayed the number they fall into in terms of popularity in both cases. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.